In this video, we're going to continue looking at the modifiers by looking at the Decimate modifier. So in my properties editor, I go over to the little wrench icon. I'm going to go down to where it says add modifier. You're going to go down to generate, and then the fifth one down is decimate. I'm going to click on that. And we have some different options in this, but for instance, I can add a vertex group to only affect those. So if I do my select a vertex group and create that, I can use that. And here's this ratio here. Right now it's at 1. If I start to drag that down, you'll notice that the mesh in this sphere is actually getting less and less detailed as I go. And if I take it down really far, I get down to just a plane with 3 vertices. I'm not sure it'll go any lower than that. Actually, it says 0, but it's the same thing that was there. So I can move that up or down, and you can actually even keyframe that if you wanted. So we could actually go to different points. I can move this further down, insert another keyframe, go back, and I can watch it decimate and reduce the amount of planes and vertices. And that's pretty much it for the decimate feature. There's also symmetry, where you can turn that on. You can choose X, Y, or Z axes, as well as triangulate. Not sure exactly what that does. And there's a face count here as well. Pretty straightforward and simple.